Hello everyone. Today we will learn about the data validation feature of MS Excel. It's very crucial feature of MS Excel. It is specially used to restrict the values within the cell. Okay, so it is used to restrict the values of given cell and this is called data validation. So let's see how can we apply. Let's take the example of subjects and the marks. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to write some subject and their marks. So let's write some subject names and then we will write marks, maximum marks and marks obtained. Okay, let's write some subject name such as English, maths, science, computer. Okay, so in this way we will write some subject name. Let's put the maximum mark of the subject as 100. Okay, and the marks obtained by the student that we will enter, and on this column, the column number H, we will apply data validation because a mark obtained or marks obtained by student must be between 0 to 100. A student can't get lesser than 0, and if maximum is 100, so he can't get more than 100. So let's apply data validation. We will click on data tab, then we will go to data validation. Okay, and now data validation dialog box appears where we have to select the value. Okay, the value we will select whole number. Then it is asking that what should be the range between minimum, let's put 0, maximum we will put 100. Let's go to input message. What kind of message should be inputted? So let's write the input message that enter the marks obtained. Okay, and in title let's give here obtained marks. Then we have to go to the third option, the third tab, that is error alert, that what kind of error should be generated when the user gives the value which is not between 0 and 100. So title we are giving here invalid input, and error message, let's give error message that the marks obtained must be between 0 to 100. This is the message that will be generated, or it will occur when the user will type any wrong value. Okay, so the message is what? Obtained marks must be between 0 to 100. After giving this message, what we have to do, we are going to check whether our data validation is applied properly or not. So let's give a value here. Okay, now I'm going to give any negative value. Okay, first I have given a correct value, second I have given a negative value. You can see that the message has come that the value is not correct. Okay, then again let's give a value 100. This is okay, no problem. Let's again try to give any value that is more than 100. Again same invalid input message has come. Okay, so we can check that data validation is correctly applied here. Minus 36, still it's wrong, so let's correct it. So this is what data validation feature of MS Excel. Like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest notifications.